Today we're making pumpkin cream cheese danishes. It's not quite fall yet, which means if we want fall themed foods, we're gonna have to make them ourselves. Luckily, these are super easy to make, so let's get started. To a small bowl, we're gonna need half a cup of pumpkin puree. I will have an ingredients list towards the end of this video, so no need to write anything down. I'll also have it posted in the description box below. 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. We're gonna mix this up real quick, mix, 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 and then we're gonna set it off to the side. This part is done. Next is the cream cheese mixture. To a slightly bigger bowl, we're gonna need 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Grab your mini spatula and mix those ingredients together. Once your cream cheese mixture looks nice and creamy like so, set it off to the side with the pumpkin mixture. Let's work on our pastry. We're gonna need some puff pastry sheets. Grab some parchment and carefully unfold your pastry sheet. It's a bit on the thick side and it also looks a bit rough when you first remove it from the packaging. To fix this, I like to grab my rolling pin and smooth it out a bit. This also makes it a wee bit larger, which is nice. Grab your knife and cut it into 3 sections like so. Then right across the middle. Give each section some space. With your knife, carefully score out a 1/2 inch border all the way around your pastry. We're not cutting straight through to the bottom. We're applying just enough pressure to help the border rise during the baking process, creating a raised edge for our filling in the middle. Grab your cream cheese mixture and give every pastry a generous amount. Spread out that mixture. As you can see, I wasn't neat about it. I more or less just slapped it around because we're gonna go back over it with the pumpkin mixture. Speaking of pumpkin, grab your pumpkin mixture and place a spoonful on top of your cream cheese mixture. With a spoon, swirl those 2 mixtures together, bringing that filling as close to the scored line as you can without going over it. Do this for each one. Grab your baking sheet and slide it under your parchment paper. And you thought we were done, but not quite yet. The only thing left to do is brush the edges with an egg wash. Whisk together 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of water. Grab your pastry brush and carefully brush the egg wash all along the border. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. I took mine out at 15 minutes. This recipe does have a drizzled glaze you can add on top. I think it's plenty sweet as is, so I didn't add it to mine. But if you want to fully satisfy your sweet tooth, mix together 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle that on top if you so desire. Also to note, this recipe calls for 2 puff pastry sheets, which means in total, this recipe makes 12 pumpkin cream cheese danishes. We only made 6 today. If you're in the same boat and only want to make half of the recipe, store the remaining filling in the fridge along with that extra sheet of puff pastry. Yes, that box does come with 2 sheets of puff pastry. How convenient. If you're interested, I will insert an ingredients list right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.